Previously, in our last episode,
life had some different plans for me.
And just ahead,
What?
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats.
G here from OG Creations. It's officially September, and for any crafters, creators, and retailers out there, good luck, and may you sell every single piece that you've made. For those not in the know, September officially kicks off the holiday season.
What?
Planning and prep started months ago, but it's now crunch time to get all completed and ready to sell. Since I'm among you in completing my Halloween items, plus being balls deep,
I'm talking about balls deep.
and a huge custom order,
Huge.
our playtime today is going to be a short one.
Quickie.
Now I've made a few declined ice tide items in the past, and they're
Fan-fucking-tastic.
but there's a part of me that has always wanted to test what would happen if I crumbled the material first, then twisted it up. I had previously purchased an ivory 100% cotton kaftan, and I think it will be perfect to experiment on. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. The YouTube algorithm is infuriating.
Flames.
And unless you already have hundreds of thousands of followers, you really aren't suggested to new viewers as easily.
Can no one find nude photos of me on the internet?
Views.
Your help will be greatly appreciated. With that said, let's get started. I'm starting with an ivory 100% cotton kaftan that was soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then set aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. Once I'm happy with the crumples, I carefully twist the material. I like using aluminum foil for my declined ice dyes. You use a ton of dye powder and soda ash with these, and the aftermath is quite messy. I have had my fair share of accidents
You didn't piss your pants?
during cleanup. The foil cuts down since you can just wad it up and throw it away. I create a smooth surface to lay the twisted material down on, and then I build up the sides just a bit taller than the fabric itself with more foil. I place the dye rack inside of a large plastic container. This will catch all the melted, dyed water muck. I lift one side of the dye rack using another plastic container to create my decline. I fill my little foil trough with lots of ice. I'm using a single color this week. Dharma's Eggplant has some beautiful splits in it when used on nice dyes. You'll get deep purples, navy, magenta, maroon, even some black. I then top the dye with soda ash. Once the ice is fully melted, I set it aside for 48 hours in a 70-degree space. I then rinse it in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed before running it through a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. Once dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can purchase it today and check out all my other items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I think this experiment was a success. I love all the splits that I'm seeing here. I don't see some of those streaks that you get from regular declined ice dyes, but the coloring is still fantastic, so I'm happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, be sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone. Thank you again. I'll see you next time.